What's good, YouTube, man? It's the next day. I know my hair a little messed up, man. If y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Turn that post notification bell on. I know my hands a little dirty. But yesterday we got most of the thing in. We got the intake in, we got the engine on the engine mounts. I got all the accessories on, power steering pump, AC compressor. I got the wiring done. I got a little ghetto PCV valve till I cut it. And then, so this is how it's looking right now. Got this, got everything. I need to put this behind the intake. I already have the oil filter on. I had to take the alternator off because I forgot the coolant pressure switch and the oil pressure switch. That was what these two cords was, and I didn't know what they was yesterday. Hopefully, man, today we're gonna get started up. I'm running out of daylight, so I kinda need to hurry up. So let's get to it. So I got these connectors connected, got the oil pressure sensor, and then I have the coolant sensor in there. They're both connected. I'm gonna put the air intake back on. I tightened up the bolts to the AC compressor down there. We gotta put the serpentine belt back on. Put the hose to the thermostat to the radiator on. And we're gonna start filling it up with oil and coolant. We're gonna check all the bottom screws at the bottom, oil pan. Gonna check the engine block, gonna make sure ain't no extra wires that's hanging that's not supposed to. Then we're gonna install the exhaust manifolds, and then I'll start her up. Alright, YouTube, it's nighttime, as y'all can see. But we finally finished it. We got the exhaust manifolds on. I need to put the oil dipstick in. Got the tube to the thermostat and radiator on. Got the PCV valve cut. It's just temporary right now. Got everything connected to the back. We're gonna put oil in it, coolant, and it's gonna be time to start her up. I know it's nighttime. We're just gonna start her up, see if she runs, make sure she runs good, let her get warm a little bit. And then after that, in the morning, the next day, man, we're gonna get to it, breaking it in. If you didn't see on the last video, this is the oil I'm using. Oil with high zinc. It was breaking the engine in better. Now we're gonna put some coolant in the reservoir. First, here's a dipstick. I wiped it off, nothing on there. Check the oil level. Okay, it does have oil in the engine. And before I let it down, we're gonna check and make sure there's not any leaks at the bottom. We got the coolant in, and then the oil, transmission fluid, and then it's time to start her up. got the oil in. I just put some transmission fluid in. We have some coolant ends going through the system. So the last thing we're gonna do before we start it up, make sure everything is tight. Then we're gonna check underneath and make sure no leaks or anything coming from radiator, oil pan, nothing coming from the radiator, nothing coming from the hoses. The oil pan looks okay, nothing coming out. Don't see any leaks at the bottom, nothing from the transmission. What? Hold on. Alright, YouTube, as you can see, it's nighttime. Dog is walking. Man, it's been a long day. As y'all can see, when I try to start it up, it wouldn't start all the way. It'll turn back off. So I think tomorrow I'm gonna do some wiring, see if it was some wiring that I probably missed, or probably ground wire I probably missed. But we getting close, man. We got the engine in, we got the car put together, and then we're gonna start customizing and going from there. But thank y'all for tuning in. See y'all next time. Peace.